So here's some more information about the suspension bridge. So we attach the suspenders to the main cable with that cable clamp. Let's see that big one.
Right over here. You can see it's a saddle and a U-bolt with 2 nuts.
Okay, so when you tighten up those nuts, what happens?
The distance right here shortens and it pinches the cables together, or
Gotcha.
the rope.
Okay, so now let's look at so with those cable clamps there, let's say the suspender closest to you.
Yep, right here.
Let's say you wanted to move it someplace, so you...
Maybe a little bit more this way.
Okay.
Something. Well, very easy. Just take a screwdriver, whatever you have, loosen up the U-bolt, the 2 nuts, then you can slide it back and forth very easily.
Okay.
Then when you have it where you want it, just tighten it back up.
Now what if you wanted to adjust the length of the suspender?
We have this little setup right here, same thing as
Let's see.
the main suspender. We have the orange main cable, and the white cable is the suspender. Same thing right over here.
Good.
So, if we want to raise or lower the suspender, just loosen the bolt, the 2 nuts, sorry, and then pull it.
Pull the suspender, the white
The
line.
suspender, yep. Let me try to do this.
Okay, now that's good. Now put that down. Now show me that screwdriver you've got.
Yep.
Okay, yeah. And grab the other one. I call this the 4-in-1 because you can put 4 different tips in there. All right. But no, grab those 2 again.
Yep.
So the blue one is the 4-in-1 without the tips in it, and I use it because it's the perfect size there, sort of like a socket wrench to loosen the nuts on the cable clamp. Okay, good. Now, before we even worry about the suspenders and the main cable, what if we have to adjust the length of the main cable?
Well, you come over to wherever you have it anchored. In this case, we have this cardboard box, and we're going to tie a special kind of knot called a trucker's hitch.
Okay.
And it might be a bit hard to see on camera, but if you need to learn more, very easy to search up and find.
Okay, before you show the knot, just loosen it, and let's see what happens when you can, why we use that.
Yep. So in this part over here.
Yeah, no, not yet, yeah. Oh, okay, good. So when you can adjust the trucker's hitch, and that'll adjust, there we go. Okay, now.
Very easy.
Good, now show me how to do the trucker's hitch.
Yep, it's a very simple knot. If you can't see it, then you're going to have to search it up.
Okay.
So, take your right hand, thumb, I guess, on the outside of you, hold the rope, twist it.
Good, hold it there. I want to, so you twist it, now you got sort of a hole to go through.
Yep. Now, take your fingers, grab the main line, and pull it through.
Good, let's see.
Get a little knot right there.
So we got a loop there, which will disappear.
If I pull it, disappears.
Okay, so do it again.
Right hand, twist, get the hole, put your fingers through, pull it out, make sure it's tight.
Okay, so that's half the job. Then what do?
Now you take the other side of the rope, thread it through, hold it, and then pull it towards you to make the rope tighter.
Okay, do that a few times, up and down.
And let go to make it looser.
Good. Okay, now, so when you get it where you want it, how do you tie it off?
Hold it right here,
Pinch it.
tight, and then just make another loop, pull it through, and tighten it up.
Okay, that's the trucker's hitch. Good.